sun. How old is the Earth? The Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. It's about 4.5 billion years old. The solar system, as we mentioned, is about 4.6 billion years. And as Stephen Hawking mentioned, so that was Stephen Hawking recorded back in the day with his voice program. As he mentioned, the collapse began about 6 billion years ago. Okay? All right, seasons. I need 2 volunteers. And you don't have to do too much work, but you do have to stand up. I need 2 volunteers. There we go. We got 1. We got 2. All right. Who wants to be the sun? Marcus, you look like an excellent sun. Okay, Marcus, your goal is to point this at Mason, but not in his face. Go ahead and stand in the middle of the room. Yep. Mason, you're the Earth. There you go. All right, so you're going to aim it at the Earth. All right, so you can see right now that there is a light on the Earth. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, I already know why the seasons change. It's because the Earth gets closer to the sun at some parts. Hold on, Mason. I know you're excited. Just wait. Mason, wait. Sometimes the Earth is closer to the sun, and other times the Earth is further away. And that is not why the seasons change. So let me start with this. Why the seasons change. It is not due to distance. Whoa. Oh, wow. That's not going to work. There we go. It's not due to distance. Yes, the Earth is closer to the sun at some point and is further from the sun at others. That is not why the seasons change. 1, it doesn't change distance that much. And 2, how does that explain why the southern hemisphere has opposite seasons as us? Right? If it changed due to distance, both the hemispheres should have hotter summers when we're closer and colder winters when it's further away. And that's not the case. Also, for us, the summer is actually when the Earth is furthest away from the sun. So it does not have to do with distance. So if it doesn't have to do with distance, then what does it have to do with? Well, it has to do with the position of the Earth and the tilt of the Earth. Hold on. So we have the sun in the middle, so the Earth's axis is tilted. There's the equator there. So notice that here's the direct sunlight on the northern hemisphere, so this would be summer. And then this would be indirect light on the northern hemisphere, so that would be winter. As we go towards winter, going into summer, we would get spring. It starts warming up when the light is equal on the northern and southern. And as we go from the summer going into the winter, that's when we're going to hit fall, as we start losing direct light and goes to more indirect light. Mason, you had a thing?